Hi everyone, hi, welcome back to my painting channel. Let's paint today. I will be starting with a dark Prussian blue phthalo green base and then create some fluid flowers, botanical leaves. Yeah, let's get started. Of course, I will wet the canvas, and I don't know if you saw my painting with the purple flowers and the purple spray paint. I think it's so beautiful. It's hanging there behind the camera. I'm looking at it and I love that composition. So I might do something a little bit similar. But let's become friends with this canvas and, and see where we go. So, and mostly these size canvases, I like them in portrait, so not in landscape, but I love to paint in landscape, if that makes sense. So most of the times the composition will be like this, but it's easier for me to paint it like this. All right, nice and wet. Let's drop some of the Prussian blue. It's quite fluid, so it won't be that dark, you see. Let's add some more colors. And I will be painting on this until I think, this is dark enough. I know it's becoming quite green now, but I'm planning to work a lot more with the Prussian blue on this background. And also I want this to have a little bit of a shade of green. This big brush is so convenient with covering a canvas. It just takes a couple of seconds. I'd like this bottom color here. That's more like the turquoise, so let's keep adding some of this Prussian blue. So for you on camera, it already looks quite dark. It's not so much. Alright, let's keep building. Just a bit more, and then I think we're there. I'm already creating some brush strokes, as you can see. Let's add it from this side. Ooh. Well, that's fine, I'm used to it. So I do want kinda very busy leaf-like background. Alright, so now I created this background. I will go in with some pearl colors and some golds. Pearl blue. I'm just so addicted to painting these botanicals. It really makes me happy. I dream at night what color palette, what kind of composition I want to do, if I want to test something new. It really, really is my thing. And I would love for you to find your passion in this style too. And if you want to do that, I have a course in this. Oh, do you see that color? Beautiful. This is so cool. I also have interference green. Let's add just a little bit. Let's see how that looks. It's not really doing something. It just creates a lighter shade. I think in this case, I would like the interference gold better. That might be all too much now. Right, let's start working with some white, but it's not finished now, so it is beautiful. I really think this is beautiful, but it's not finished. But what color? Lately, what is wrong? I'm so struggling with the colors. I really love that. Well, let's leave that part for now. Feel like creating here one like this as well. I still feel like this color palette is so simple. So let's go like here this time. Right, well, this is going very differently because I messed it up a little bit here. It's okay, I do like this here. Really like this. Now the question is, what do I want to do more? Do I want to do something on the top there, or do I feel like, hey, this is cool already? I'm really liking this, but I also think, we can have another color in this mix. Then again, I might mess it up. Just love how flowery this looks, Let's ask Wouter and my son, they're here next door. Let's see what they say.
It's Mama.
Of course, Mama gemaakt. Ja.
De keycode drink Mama.
Nee, Mama alleen gemaakt. Alright, Wouter says, stop. Don't do anything. Maybe a little bit of the white here, or just break up just a little bit these parts. I don't know, it's gonna be risky, but it looks too simple. Even though it's not simple, of course, but just looks too simple for me. We are missing something here. Alright, I will be adding here something. I just feel it needs that, and maybe that's the final touch. I always forget this, but I can let this dry and add another color to it if I still have that urge. Somehow I forget those things when I'm busy because immediately I wanna, make it perfect. No, I liked it better before I did that. It's okay. I definitely like this one better than this one. Do love the colors here. Especially love this leaf. Now, I will leave this alone and let it dry, revisit it later, and I'll be back. And here you have it. I already painted the sides black, signed this painting. Only thing I need to do is varnish it because it's already sold to Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. So I'm super happy about that. I love these two flowers, and I do like as well this cool toned palette. There are so many interesting details. Yeah, I'm happy about this. Would love to hear what you think. And I'll see you next week, Saturday. Have a great week.